Your father thinks you're weak. Show him your power. No!
What happened?
Only the purest of hearts can resist their temptations. But you will never be worthy.
Wait, I'm good enough, I swear.
What?
Let me back in!
Calm down,
Stop!
Calm down.
Stop it!
Calm down.
Stop!
Hey, I'm gonna kill you, you little prick! Stop!
I was just there. This man, this wizard, he took me to a castle.
Stop.
And
Stop! Stop it! You miserable, whiny little shit! You could have killed us! Do you understand that?
Send the king to the people everywhere. Listen to what I say. The child sleeping in the night, people bringing us goodness and
Dad? Dad!
Dad? You're okay. You're gonna be okay. You did this. You did this!
no, Dad.
Your magic grows weak. Soon you won't be able to contain us. Seeking spell! Find me one soul who is worthy! No matter how long it takes.